Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Now we're going to peel and slice our peaches. First I'm going to put a tablespoon of lemon juice into the bowl that we're going to be slicing our peaches into so that our peaches won't brown while we're working with them. You can use fresh lemon juice, or this is just a bottled lemon juice. 1 tablespoon there. Now let me show you how easy these peel. See how the skins just come right off? You just grab the little corner of that crisscross that we put on the bottom and peel the skin right off. Okay? I like to take out a baggie and just put it there, and I'll throw all my skins right there on that baggie and then just throw them away when I'm done. Okay. And we'll peel all our peaches like that. Now you can slice your peaches in 2 different ways. You can cut the whole peach in half, like this. They're a little slippery once they're peeled. And then pull it apart in half. And take your knife and slice like this. Or just pull that pit right out and slice like this. Okay? And put that right into our lemon juice. Or you can, right over your bowl, you can just slice to the pit and drop those peach slices right into the bowl as you go. So it's your choice. I sort of like doing it like this. So I peel my peach. The peel should just come right off. I'll give you another view of that. You just grab the corner and the peel just pulls right off with the blanching. And if anything doesn't come off, you just cut it off. And then, and then you just slice right down to the pit, about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch slices. Now occasionally you want to stop and toss your peaches with the lemon juice just to coat them, and that keeps them from turning brown.